we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Oracle Touch, that renewed one, to the Terra Kaffe TK02. Both are super-automatic espresso machines, right?
Yep, that's the gist. The Breville is a renewed product, which is Amazon's way of saying pre-owned, while the Terra Kaffe is brand new. Big difference right off the bat.
Definitely. And the Breville is a beast, weighing in at 37.3 pounds. And those dimensions? Wow. The Terra Kaffe is lighter at 29.5 pounds and a bit smaller.
True. And dimensions matter if counter space is tight. The Terra Kaffe is more app-enabled and has that auto wake and sleep feature. Sounds pretty fancy.
The Breville has a touchscreen too, and you can save like 8 personalized coffees, but no app control, it seems. However, the Breville boasts a dual boiler system, fancy for temperature control.
Ooh, dual boiler. That's serious business. The Terra Kaffe uses a 48mm conical burr grinder, and you can scan QR codes from TK Shop Coffee to get roaster-approved settings. That's pretty cool and modern.
Yeah, that QR code thing is neat. The Breville grinds, doses, and tamps automatically, so it's pretty automated. It also has this overpressure valve to prevent bitter flavors.
Good point. But the Terra Kaffe claims over 100,000 drink combinations. That's a lot of customization. Plus, it froths all milk types, plant-based or dairy.
The Breville comes with a milk jug and cleaning kit, which is nice. The Terra Kaffe has a milk carafe. The Breville has a 67 ounces water tank. That's awesome.
The Terra Kaffe's water tank is 75 fluid ounces, slightly bigger, but not by much. And the Breville only has a 2.5-star rating, while the Terra Kaffe has 4 stars.
Ouch, that Breville rating is rough. Probably because it's renewed. Plus, the review is horrible. Waits in the box. Yikes! The Terra Kaffe does have a higher price tag.
True, but you're getting a new machine with more modern features like app control and those QR code settings.
So if you want something potentially cheaper and don't mind a refurbished machine, the Breville might work. But if you want something new, app-connected, and highly customizable, the Terra Kaffe seems like the better choice, as long as you're okay with the price. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.